If you're going to develop software, one thing's for sure. You're going to need a software development environment, and when you're programming for an ARM-based processor like the MAX32625, you have lots of choices. Today, Sean, an applications engineer at Maxim Integrated, will show you just how easy it is to set up the Rowley CrossStudio for the MAX32625. Now, if you don't already have the Rowley CrossStudio software installed, you can download a free trial at this web address. If you like it, you can purchase a personal, non-commercial license or a full developer license that permits commercial use. Now, once you've installed Rowley CrossStudio, you have to install support for one of Maxim's prototyping boards, in this case, the MAX32625MBED. Show us how you do that, Sean.
So after you get CrossStudio installed, the first thing you'll need to do is go to Tools, Package Manager, and search for Maxim. And then install the package that you're interested in. We'll install this guy, which will automatically include the CPU support package, so you'll get both of these. Hit Next, Downloads, hit Finish, and now you're ready to create your project.
Wow, that looked a little too easy. All you do is select Tools, then Package Manager, then search for Maxim in the search box, and select the MAX32625MBED board support package. When it's done in just a few seconds, you're ready to start your first project. Okay, Sean, show us how that works.
So you go up to File, New Project, and we'll just select C++ Executable. Hit Next. CrossWorks gives you some settings to tweak. We'll just take the defaults. This is the files that get generated. Finish. And now you have your project here, and you can do a build. Build executable. Completed successfully. The next thing you want to do is set up your debugger, and for that you need to go to Target, Connect, and then select SimSys DAP. All the Maxim Mbed boards support this protocol. So once you do that, you can debug your target, and you get your breakpoint in main. So there you go.
Okay, that's a lot to take in. But just to recap, to create a project for the MAX32625MBED, you just select File, then New Project. That will bring up a dialog box listing all the types of projects you can choose. Sean chose to create a C++ project for the MAX32625MBED board, allowed the IDE to use the default settings, and an empty project was built. But even though it's an empty project, you can still build and run an executable. Just choose the Build menu and select Build Executable 1. In a few seconds, you have a binary file ready to debug. Now, to debug your executable, don't go to the Debug menu just yet. Instead, select Target, then SimSys DAP. This is ARM's standard debugging environment, and all of Maxim's Mbed-compatible boards support this protocol. Now select Debug, then Go. Your program will run to the first source line in main, and then automatically stop. And that's it. That's just how easy it is to get Rowley CrossStudio to run with a Maxim prototyping board. But it's still just an empty project. What will you fill it with? We can't wait to find out.